welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification subscribe for my last week's video is... So please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. This is one of my favorite recipes to show you guys. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of lotion. I'm just using the sugar frosting one that I got from my mom. You guys will also need shaving cream. You guys will need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Not sure why this container had two lids, but let's add the lotion into here first. So for this recipe, you only need 2 ingredients, and the first one is any type of lotion. I'm just using this one that smells like sugar cookies, and I absolutely love the packaging on here. It's like a unicorn on it. So pretty. And lastly, you're just going to add the shaving cream. And this is kind of like the activator for this recipe. And I'm going to add that much. Shaving cream really goes a long way with slime recipes or like a no glue slime, so only a little bit goes a long way, so just add a little bit. And now I'm just going to mix it up till it gets super fluffy. Alright, so that's enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add a dot of food coloring because I do want it kind of like a purpley color. Now it looks like enough. And now I'm just going to mix the food coloring into here. Right, that's enough mixing. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the container lid back onto here. And now I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take a look at how the lotion is going. And if it looks like it needs more lotion because it's kind of too fluffy, you can add more lotion. And if it looks like you need more shaving cream, add some more shaving cream. And that's about it for this recipe. Just keep it in there till it turns into a slime consistency even. Maybe it can take 1 hour. It can even take 2 hours. It's just different on what type of lotion you're using. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second when the slime recipe is all done. Okay guys, so it's been about 3 hours and here is the slime. I love the color on this already. And I did add some more lotion. And here is how it turned off, and the coloring got on me as well because I added a little bit more food coloring. And wow, it's pretty sticky actually, but I love the color. I can't get over it. Actually very sticky. I'm going to try holding it. This is such a pretty color, but it made a really nice slime consistency. It's kind of like watered down. I'm not sure how that happened. Maybe it's because I added some more lotion and not enough shaving cream, but I really do love the consistency of this. I can't get over it really. It's such a nice slime consistency, and for a no glue lotion slime, this is really, really nice. It's just a little bit watered down, and that's my fault because I didn't add enough shaving cream. But this recipe is a huge win-win for me, and I'm kind of shocked it turned out this well. But this recipe worked amazing for me. It was just a lotion and shaving cream, 2 ingredients. It's really simple ingredients you probably have in your house or have around your house. But if this recipe worked for you, please put it in the comments down below because I'd love to get back to you guys. And if it didn't work for you, I'll try commenting back to you and give you some helpful ways on how to make this turn into an actual slime like this. This does melt after about an hour or so because I can already tell it's melting a little bit, but it's a really simple slime recipe to make, and you can do this on like a summer day when you're bored or something, or just whenever if you want. But yeah, so this recipe was a huge win-win for me. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If this recipe worked for you, please put it in the comments down below. Remember to check out all my social medias, my Instagram, my TikTok, even my Roblox is linked down below. But yeah, remember please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!